Now I'm showing the quick video of how to remove the prosthetics. I'm using 244 remover and 99% alcohol. First, I'm wiping down the makeup with the alcohol. When you rub the skin, make sure to go gently. You don't want to rip the prosthetics off. It might hurt your skin. So gently from the side, little by little. Make sure the brush is wet with the alcohol. Little by little, not too quick. If you have the hair, body hair, you might want to go even slower. And if you use alcohol to remove, then you can use this process again. Make sure the edges are not curled. Okay, thank you so much.